Hello and welcome to another episode of Laptop Retrospective, and today I am here to unbox some monitors. Before I do that though, a little explanation on how I arrived to these that I'm about to show you. Way back in the summer of last year, I bought one of these, which is the ThinkVision M14 portable monitor. And this thing really impressed. If you want to hear me go on and on about it, you can click up there and it will take you to a video on why this monitor really helped me out of a jam. But today we are here to talk about another ThinkVision monitor because after using that one, I was pretty impressed with what it had to offer. And I had to replace my two Samsung monitors that I've had for, well, if I have to think about it, it's probably way too long. What I've got is a box. Well, actually that's not true. I have two boxes. These two oversized boxes that literally do not fit in my filming space are the ThinkVison S27Q-10. It's a 27-inch 2K display, and they were on for a steal of a deal from Lenovo's Canadian website. So two seemed to be the order of the day. I think I ended up paying like $480 by the time they arrived shipped, so I certainly can't complain about that price. Without further ado, let's go ahead and cut the seal and unbox it. So we have an HDMI cable, regular power cable, stand piece 1, stand piece 2, and the book of many things. So it tells you pretty much how to assemble it and how to plug it in, just on the off chance that you couldn't figure that out. So we'll go ahead and lift that piece out of the way. And there are these nice little thumb holes in each corner to help you lift it out. Like so. And there's no delicate way to do this, so timber! So it looks like this piece slides in there. It's always nice when it's intuitive enough to the point where you don't really need to read the manual on how to put this together. That seemed easy enough. Okay. That is like a monolith. It's nice and matte, and there is like practically no border to be had on three sides of this. Okay, let's go ahead and plug this thing in. All right, so everything is plugged in. That is sharp and bright. Those things are simple facts. So I've got this thing set up on a dock, and I have, of course, a ThinkPad. There's a OK panel doing an OK job. And then here is this 2K resolution beast that is just hanging out there. That is pretty. I think I'm going to enjoy using these. With all that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you do have any questions about these two monitors, they are going to be going into service immediately. And yeah, I'm going to have a lot of fun enjoying no ghosting on my screen anymore and just some nice, bright, beautiful displays. If there are any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section down below. And as always, I'll encourage you to do the big four. Please like the video, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified if I give you any updates on these monitors or anything else that comes my way. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.